will be showing you how I made 3% on my account day trading Forex. First of all, I had a call on Euro USD in my private Telegram, which is only 20 euros for a whole year. As you can see, shared everything here. And this was the Euro USD call, right? Here we can see that price created a demand zone. What is a demand zone? A demand zone is an area where a lot of buyers were in position, where a lot of buyers took place. As you can see, this is the bearish candle before a big move up. So the sell before a buy up. And as you can see, right when price stepped into it, we had a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, which I entered from with my stop loss below the order block or the demand zone, and we pushed higher. I took my total profit right over here, and I am letting a little bit of my position run towards these highs. Now for the second trade, this one I took because of our ORB strategy. As you can see, we had the 15-minute candle of market open. So we have the high and the low. We broke below. We created a fair value gap right when market decided to break that low. It got respected with a big push downwards. We had a retracement back towards a valid area of supply. And I took the sell position with my stop loss above the high, which I could then take a 2R on this trade. And as you can see, this one was called in the chat itself on GBP CHF, right over here, GBP CHF. And I said, wait for the retracement towards that order block. And right, as you can see, we had a retracement towards the order block, and then we had a stronger sell down. Then our last call was GBP AUD. Same thing here. We broke out from the bottom. We created a fair value gap. Once we tapped into that fair value gap, price gave us a strong sell downwards, creating this as our order block. And if we're going to look on the 5-minute time frame, we can see that we engulfed the last candle, right? We engulfed this last candle right when it tapped the fair value gap. So this would mean that it is a strong push towards the downside. So what did I wait for? I waited for a retracement back towards the supply zone right over here. And as you can see, price tapped in, gave us an instant sell downwards, giving us a 2.5 R. This is a strategy I use to trade. It works on every single pair, on every single indices, NQ, ES, gold, everything. As you can see, we had a close above, retracement, engulfing, push. Same here. We do not have a fair value gap right here. So I wouldn't take the trade. Let's see on gold. Gold is consolidating. I wouldn't take that trade either. As we can see here, we had a push up, a push downwards. So we would look for sells. But I saw, because of this candle, we knew that this fair value gap was going to be respected. And as you can see, we did. We did not close below. We had an engulfing candle out of it. And that's when we could have rode the real move. Same thing on USD CHF. We did not see a retracement towards the fair value gap, so I wouldn't take this trade. JPY, same thing here. We had a fair value gap. We broke from the bottom. We had a push in towards our fair value gap, giving us an engulfing candle out of it. So we could have shorted right over here with our stops above the high or above the fair value gap. Let's say above the fair value gap. We could target a 2R. GBP USD, same thing. Order block, change in the state of delivery, push downwards. Euro CHF, same thing. Push up, push downwards. No fair value gap, wouldn't take the trade. Euro JPY, choppy market. Euro GBP, same thing. We had a fair value gap, we had a push up, we had a push downwards, we had a push higher, engulfing this candle, which we could have then taken a buy position with our stops below the low to then target a 2R. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. See you in the next one. Peace.